There's just something about a personalized item that makes me happy. And as a maker, I love that I can use a bunch of techniques to make whatever I want. Tonight is game night, and I wanted to personalize a few items to make the event a bit more fun. I made a custom die, coasters with matching drink tags, and table tents with fun questions on the inside. Let me show you how easy it was to make all of these, and how you can use our free 3D models to personalize your own. We'll start with the die. I first sketched a simple square with chamfered corners and dimensioned it to the size I wanted. After extruding it, I patterned the body to create all 6 sides. I'm going to print this flat and then fold it up, so I modeled in a thin strip of material to bind the pieces together. I made it just one 3D print layer thick, 0.2 millimeters, so I did a small test print to make sure the hinge would work. To customize the faces of the die, I positioned a piece of sketch text on each one, but instead of typing something, I just linked each text to a custom property. This sets the model up to be easily changed. Check it out. Let's say we want to make a die for our friends who have 6 children. We can just type in each name and the die will update. Or let's say we want to make a die for our friends who love astronomy. We can copy a symbol from the Windows character map and paste it into the custom property field. For our game night die, we chose a bunch of symbols that remind us of classic board games. After we printed out the flattened die, we folded it up and used super glue to hold it together. Now we have a die that will determine who gets to go first, so we need a way to assign each player a different symbol. That's where these drink tags come in. We put matching symbols on each tag, but let's say you want to create tags with the initials of each of your guests. You'd model the tag and set it up in the same way, with a simple piece of text linked to a custom property. Then you would use the configure feature command to quickly build any number of tags. Just name the configuration whatever you'd like and enter the guest's initials. Filling out a quick table like this is a super fast way to build a ton of personalized designs. To make it easy to print all of our tags in one go, I built an assembly where I patterned the tags 6 times. By default, it creates 6 of the same tag, but since the tag has configurations, I can quickly tell the assembly to show a different one in each patterned position. These small tags print incredibly quickly and make a great addition to our game night. I designed the table tents using SOLIDWORKS sheet metal capabilities. In this case, I sized the flat pattern to be 1/6 of a sheet of paper, and then drew a line where I wanted it to fold. I created configurations to vary the symbols on the front of the tent, as well as the fun questions on the back. Once I positioned the flat patterns in an assembly, I made a drawing I could print out on a sheet of thick paper. Cutting and folding these was really simple. They'll be a fun way to kick off the festivities. These coasters were designed exactly like the other items, as a series of configurations, each with a different symbol. I grabbed an extra piece of cork flooring we had laying around and cut the coasters on the CNC. The letters and symbols cut nicely with a 60-degree V-bit, but I felt the contrast was too subtle, so I painted on a layer of black acrylic. I just love how all of these came out, and that this simple technique can be used to personalize almost anything. Table tents for your next holiday gathering, party favors for a child's birthday, or a housewarming gift for a friend. I hope this inspired you to dream up your own personalized items. If you'd like to use our models as a starting point, you can download them for free from the Made in 3D community. Just check out the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on our next make.